we did it, guys and girls. Day 5 of Steam Week. We're there. We're at the end. Thank you, really, just for all of the hard work and effort that you've put in. Because without your hard work and without all the stuff I can see on Padlet, we wouldn't have a Steam Week. Okay, it would be really empty and void, and just the energy and the drive and the enthusiasm and ambition that you've shown has just been phenomenal. No, I'm not going to say that anymore. Awe-inspiring. That's what it's been. Really awe-inspiring. So well done. But there's one group of people that, in fact, you need to say thank you to as well as me. That's your mums and dads. I've seen them in the background of your videos. I've seen them holding the cameras and getting stuff right with you, stirring, cooking, making, baking, breaking, engineering, creating, all of those things. So without your parents' support, I'm not sure this would have been as successful either. So today, at some point, turn around to them and go, cheers, Mum. Thanks, Dad. Good job. Thank you. Okay, so 2 things from me today, and I'll put a 60-second timer on the clock. Get all of the rest of your evidence, progress, work, projects on Padlet. It doesn't matter if you haven't finished, not important. You can finish it next week or the week after, okay? Do get it onto Padlet so that everyone else can see what you've been up to and comment. And a big one today, 1 o'clock, Thursday assembly, okay? Look at the link on the Steam website. I want everybody, or at least as many people as possible, to come online and share your project, share your progress. You can either share your screen, or you can share what you've got that you've made. It might be a game, or it might be slime, or not the edible stuff, because I know you've eaten that. So you just have something to show on your camera or on your screen, and we'll just try and make it all work. Plus, I'm going to give some shout outs to a couple of people that I know the specialists are really, really impressed with. I've asked for names from them of projects that have really, really impressed. 1 o'clock today, the link is on the Steam site. I'll see you there. How long was that?